smoked, spatchcocked tandoori chicken, onion salad. Let's go. Here we have this incredible tandoori masala made from scratch. To make the marinade to this, I'm gonna add in some yogurt. I'm gonna add in some fresh lemon juice. I'm gonna come in with a little bit of salt and some oil. Bring this together. And here's our tandoori marinade. We are gonna spatchcock this chicken to reduce the cooking time, help it cook evenly. Kitchen shears here, and I'm gonna remove this backbone. Just take your time and cut it out. Once the backbone is removed, you can turn this over and give it a press down. And here we have our spatchcocked chicken. Make sure the bird is patted down completely dry, both sides. Get this marinade into every crevice of this chicken, and we're gonna let this marinate for 2 hours and up to overnight. Chicken's marinated, ready to go. We're heading out to the Traeger. We're cooking to an internal temp of 160 Fahrenheit. Oh man, 160, time to pull this chicken. While the chicken's resting, let's make an onion salad using onions from India. I take them, cut them in half. Next, we add in some cilantro, stems and all. Nice rough chop. Fresh lemon juice into our salad and give this a nice mix. For extra flavor, fresh orange juice. Set this aside until we need it. Little butter, get that sheen on our tandoori chicken. Oh man, tandoori chicken spatchcocked on the Traeger. Oh man, who wants to try this? Our tandoori chicken has been carved. These beautiful pan drippings now can cascade over. This is such good flavor, and this is why I like cooking on a tray where I can capture all these juices.